We are excited to release Auditor Professional version 5 with the new Ecora Control Center. This release is a milestone in reinventing this product using a new architecture. The ECC is based on a Flex browser UI with powerful web services backend and database that is seamlessly integrated in the core Auditor Professional database. The new ECC completely replaces the old dashboards and provides multiple enhancements and new features. Our plan over the next several quarters is to transition the full functionality of Auditor Professional on this new architecture. We will continue to leverage the powerful agentless collections engine, flexible reporting, and unmatched breadth of configuration attributes. The UI will become more user-friendly with streamlined workflow and better graphical interactivity. This, combined with our new Enterprise Solutions offering, dramatically improves the value for our customers. We can now confidently say that we have both the coolest and the most cost-effective solution in the marketplace. Now, let's have a brief walkthrough of the new ECC. On the left side, you will see a menu panel with the available modules. These allow you to change the main controls and move from one task to another. In the center is the main working space. The above buttons remain standard across modules, including Refresh, Print, Help, and Search. The first module is the Policy Dashboard. This is used to compare the configuration settings of your environment against a set of policies that can be predetermined or custom. We provide preset settings for HIPAA, PCI, and many more regulatory requirements. This interface replaces the existing Executive Dashboard product and is now a standard part of Auditor Professional. We retain some key features to provide continuity, while at the same time introducing several new features. This version of the ECC adds historical views of policy calculations, which allows seeing what changes over time. The other key new feature is alerts. These allow sending a defect report via email. The drill-down functionality of the policy dashboards remains similar. The pie chart represents a point-in-time compliance summary for the group of systems selected in the left menu. If you click on the pie chart, you can narrow your selection by level of compliance. The table below provides the list of non-compliant policies. All rows in the table below can be sorted by column. In addition, you can change the columns available to view by clicking on the Properties button. You can further narrow your selection and choose a policy that is non-compliant and see all of the systems and rules that make up this policy. If you select a system and a rule, you get the lowest level of reporting that describes the specific defect or non-compliant setting. At this point, you can generate an alert, and you will see a pop-up message that you can direct to any email with the details of the defect in the body of the text. You can attach files to the message. You can use the back button to go back at a different drill down level or choose to drill down by system versus by policy and rules. Now let's move to reports. This module provides a streamlined view of the reporting functionality of Auditor Professional. Our product is known for the flexibility of its reporting. For complex queries and custom reports, you still need to use the desktop client. However, for many routine uses, this interface will be sufficient. Reports default to the Available Reports view. These are reports that are already generated, and you can click on them to view them. To schedule a new report, you select Schedule Reports view. This view shows you all the reports that are currently running with the estimated completion time. If you do not see the report you like, you can select New Report and define a new report to be generated with the appropriate settings. We will not go into the details of this task. Let's briefly touch on alerts. This is currently a very streamlined functionality. For the users that are familiar with our full scheduled tasks and alerts module in the desktop application, this will be the place where this functionality will be available. In this version, we wanted to keep the interface simpler. Finally, the administration module will help you configure the ECC. Unlike older versions, there is no desktop application for configuration. The new ECC also allows easier multi-user access with the ability to restrict views, so that the selected users can see only systems and/or particular modules. This concludes our brief demonstration of the new ECC. We believe that the power of our agentless discovery, together with a new, flexible design and architecture, will help us to continue to make you a leader in IT compliance and change management. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to answering any of your questions.